Are you a Toastmaster presenter in New Zealand? Are you part of District 112? Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. I was invited to do a last-minute keynote for your conference coming up. Who am I? Back in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001 when I outspoke 25,000 contestants from 14 countries to become the world champion of public speaking. But I didn't do it alone. In fact, I had coaches and teachers that helped me along the way. But here's the bad part. For 7 years, I tried to figure it out myself. I was in 4 clubs for 7 years, and I wasn't reaching the world-class level. So what was the difference? Coaches, teachers, people who are world-class. When I opened up and became a sponge, everything changed. But what did they teach me? That's exactly what I'm going to bring to you in a program online called Unforgettable Presentations. Join us for this special district event, District 112 in New Zealand, and I will rock your world so you can rock your audience's world. I'll see you online.